Now, as we enter springtime, I want to talk to you about allergies, toxins, and your immune system. When spring comes and all the plants start to bloom, for some people that brings with it allergies. And the question always is like why do some people suffer with these and then others do not? And for that, we need to look to the immune system. The most common immune system disorder is the allergy that occurs when the immune system overreacts to an allergen normally already in our environment, whether that be pollen or dust or a food, animal hair, etc. But the response is due to an immune system hypersensitivity. So you need to understand why this is happening if you want to get to the cause and an actual solution. So there are two sides to our immune system. There's what's called Th1 and Th2 immunity. One's for bacteria and viruses, the other one is for toxins and allergens. So if one side is overstimulated, it tends to over respond then to everything on that side of the system. So for instance, there has been over time an exposure or a buildup of toxins in your body it has to deal with, then it can lead to an overactive Th2 system, which can lead to an over response to common allergens in our environment and therefore allergies that people deal with. I hope that makes sense. So this side of the immune system has been overstimulated over time. So it becomes an aggressive and likely an over response to any stimulation it faces. And it has to deal with, because it's dealing with these problems too many times or too often. So to help you cope or to recover from or avoid getting allergies, you first need to take the extra load off that side of the immune system. So decreasing your toxic exposure and decreasing the toxic load in your body. And now the good news is we have our toxins workshop this month to help you deal with exactly that. You also then need to put the body in a spot that it can heal and enable it to respond better to your environment versus just like acting out of crisis. So your immune system is controlled by your nervous system. So getting adjusted enables your immune system to function more effectively. It helps it return to homeostasis or that balance point and function more efficiently. Something like everyone can benefit from, but especially allergy sufferers. Now, a study published in the Journal of Orthopedic Surgery in 2004, which was titled "The Relationship Between Vertebral Deformities and Allergic Disease," looked at 360 patients with allergies and skin conditions and asthma, and they were divided into these 6 different groups. The chiropractic group showed an 88% decrease in symptoms, better than all the other options studied. And so like chiropractic is not a treatment for allergies, but by removing interference or stress on the nervous system, chiropractic permits the immune system to function more effectively. You therefore experience less crisis and less symptoms in your life. So for anyone who deals with allergies or not wanting to deal with allergies, stay on track with your adjustments, or if you have friends or family who've not been checked, get them checked. Number 2 is get to the Terminate Toxins workshop this month. Understand how to avoid the growing toxic exposure in our world and how to decrease the toxic burden in our bodies that they have to deal with. So when it comes to allergies, you now understand cause and you have your solution.